Growing up, my whole family, uncles, were all truck drivers, my brother. I watched them always just get out on the open road. 4 years ago, I decided I was just going to get up and go and get my truck licence, and I did it. And I drove past Followmont every day for 3 years, and this is where I wanted to work, and I finally got the opportunity 6 months ago to come here, and I'll never change that. My name is Kelly Hayden. Here at Followmont, I'm a local PUD driver. One of the things I truly do love about this place is the leadership and support, not only from the people that I work with out on the road, but also our leaders, our management, our training development program. All of that just comes across as easy, and every single person is here to actually support you and guide you in the right direction.
Hi, I'm Karen McTainch. I work at Followmont Transport. My role is the Manager for Health and Safety. The thing I love most about my role is the variety. There's no 2 days the same. It's a fast-paced business in a fast-paced industry, so it's really exciting. Back in 2007, I started with Followmont in the magazine department, which was the packing and distribution division. I got an opportunity really to advance further in the business into the safety roles. I was a single person starting that out, taking care of all of our policies and procedures and any injury management that came along. As time grew and the business grew, so did the department. And now I have 4 employees that work with me both here in Queensland and New South Wales.
Hi, my name's Wiitas and I'm a Major Accounts Manager for Followmont Transport. In uni, I studied International Business and Marketing. In the first year, I did a subject in logistics. Prior to this, I had no awareness of the logistics industry, and it fascinated me how things got from point A to point B. From there, I ended up switching my degree to logistics, and once I graduated, got a job at Followmont Transport. What I love about my role is the variation and flexibility that it offers. It really works in with my work-life balance, and it suits me quite well. I get the opportunity to work with different kinds of customers and see their industry, as well as meet and liaise with all different sides of the business and developing relationships.
Hi, my name is Sarah and I am a business analyst within the business analytics team. My career started in the transport industry when the recruitment manager reached out to me about an opportunity. When going through the process and hearing about the business, I became quite excited about the prospect of working as a business partner for Followmont. And reflecting on my career journey so far in the automotive industry, I found that it was quite similar in the fact that, they both have a blue collar or operational aspect mixed with corporate, and so I felt that my skills and experience would transfer quite nicely into this space. It makes me proud to see other women succeeding in a male-dominated industry and to have the confidence to, step up and take that lead. I have seen women come in entry-level positions, and gradually over time they've progressed into leadership and management roles, which has been fantastic to see.
Followmont are definitely supportive of women in transport, and we have around 30% of our senior roles actually filled by women. So there's lots of opportunities. Be brave. There's so much to learn, and it's a great career path.
To any female that wants to come into the transport industry, I highly recommend they just come and give it a go. It's not scary, it's not hard, you'll actually really enjoy it, and it'll be one of the best choices you've ever made.